Hello there, this is Featherfoot Productions, and today we're going to be looking at how do you open my Silverado's hood since the latch piece is broken. Normally you would go to the inside, just pull that, but there's a bracket back up, in here that has broken off. And I never got around to replacing that. So, what you have to do is, when the hood is all the way closed, if it's part of the way closed, you can reach underneath and just grab that as normal. But when it's all the way closed, you have to take a crowbar and reach in here, and you can kind of see where I'm going. Right in there, you'll see it's kind of hard to see when it's closed, but it's right in there. And you have to get your crowbar right in there when it's closed, and then twist, and that will pop it open, and then you can use that guy. So let me demonstrate how that works. You can also use a handy dandy screwdriver, but I had locked mine inside the hood last time I used it. So let me demonstrate this. Okay, fully closed. And now we have to, it's kind of hard to see, I know. Have to get in there. Right in there, just like that. And then of course, then you can use the little hand piece to finish loading it up, closing it up. There is a cover on the inside if you want. I'll put this back on. It's going to sit on here, and it's got these plastic connectors. So one piece just fits into the other, and then they kind of snap on. So that's pretty much all there is for that. Also on this car, you can just lift up on this electrical box. You've got all your fuses there. I did disconnect. And the description of what everything is on the inside lid there. But I did disconnect that fuse right there. That one runs the courtesy lights, and for some reason one of my courtesy lights inside the cab was staying on, which caused the battery to drain. So that one pops back on, but that's why that one's off. Anyhow, sorry for the bad video, but this has been a Featherfoot and Friends production. Bok, bok, bok.